Can't really tell if I'm like dark or not. Anyways, what's up guys? Today's another vlog, and yeah, I'm going to be picking up some bolts for my 2JZ from my buddy Chris. He owns Precision Auto Works. He's got like a really sick FDRX7. He used to have a 2JZ Guys 300. Bunch of stuff, you know, so he had an old motor laying around, and he's just basically gonna let me pull some of the bolts off so we can put my motor back together. So we're gonna walk in right now, and yeah, that's really it.
Down and dirty with
No, she's gonna film me do it. So we just finished up, got everything squared away. It's all in bags, everything's labeled really nice. Again, huge shout out to Chris. Super sick that I got to get all those bolts. I couldn't even get them from the dealership. No one knew how to get them. Like, they don't have like extra little parts boxes. Plus the motor's a little bit old, so it's kind of an issue, whatever. But got it all squared away, and that's that, you know. I'm just super happy now because I pulled it all off. I know how to put it all back in, and I labeled it accordingly in the bags that I took. So now we're just headed to Adam LZ spot, and just gonna go try to get this tensioner off of him, and we'll see what they're doing. Okay, we're here. Time to annoy people. Darkness.
oily hand, there you go.
Alright, so we're heading out now. We just said hi to everybody, kind of hung out for a little bit. Didn't really want to film all that stuff. You know, it's kind of annoying. This dude's whole life is on camera. He didn't want to stick my camera in his face too. So we just, you know, went and said hi to everybody at PSI, hung out there for a little bit. Now we're heading out, and we'll just continue on with the rest of this vlog. Okay, day two, the vlog. Basically, I'm just dropping off the head, the VVTi head that I had. That way we can get everything sorted out. I'm dropping it off with Junior, his shop, Angelino and Son, in Kissimmee. They basically handle all the machine work that we're going to be doing on this motor and everything like that. So, this is everything. This is Junior, and see you guys later, man.
Later, brother.
Thank you. Let's go.
Tomorrow.
Well, we totally didn't do anything after I left, so we're back, and we're picking the head up right now.
That's where the money's at right there. Nicely shaved and cleaned up as much as we could without taking it apart.
Dang.
Remember, protect the surface at all times, so you don't, you know.
Okay, well, anyways, got from the machine shop. I went to Ace Hardware. I went to go pick up a fitting, and I was trying to make a fitting and do like a little kind of tutorial, kind of like explanation of what I was trying to do, but it didn't work, and I had to go back and forth, and we still didn't get it right, so that'll be in a future vlog, I guess. Anyways, we are at the track. Tires are in the car. I don't have my KFs right now. I just have some throwaways that I had on my other wheels, so we'll see how it goes. It's always weird to change stuff up, so I don't know. We're going to drive for a little bit. I'm going to go get teched and all that other stuff. See you guys in a few seconds. pleasure. Driving not on my normal wheel setup sucks, but I'm just getting through it. Some of these runs, they feel real weird because the tires feel real mushy and the suspension just feels different, but it's all because of the different tire size, different wheel fitment, and all that stuff. I missed my VSKFs. I just couldn't find tires in time for this event. Anyways, I guess I should go drive a couple more laps. I think I finished the tire a little bit. I think it may be kind of done. Whew. It's dead. Well, now that my tire's done, here's some tandem Taylor and his roommate Ben. We're just calling it quits on this video. I got some stuff coming up in the near future. We're driving to Miami, gonna go see Halcyon and Sebastian, gonna shoot some videos with them. We're trying to do like kind of a trick tip how-to video for pre-planning a video shoot, and then one with Sebastian that's kind of how to do rolling shots, but more of a trick tips kind of video as opposed to just a full dead-on how-to. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned.